Hello everyone. From today onwards, we are starting our implantology series for YouTube lectures. Right? The most common confusion between my student is what is the difference between the conventional and the cortical implant. Please zoom in. Please zoom in. So now with these two diagrams, I am telling you what is the basic difference between the two implant systems. The conventional implant, the basic principle of conventional implantology, the osseointegration take place after the placement of implant. The fresh bone, the healed bone is grow inside the threads of the implant system. So that's why we have to wait for the 3 months for the osseointegration, right? So the primary stability comes from the osseointegration. This is the principle of the conventional implants. And look here, for the cortical or the basal implant, the implant stability, primary stability comes from the engagement of the cortical bone, right? Here we can able to see this is a cancellous bone, this is a cortical outer bone, right? So thickness, the density of the cortical bone is always higher compared to the cancellous bone, right? So in the cortical implant or the basal implant, we have to engage the basal implant. So that's why we are able to load immediately, because we are getting immediate stability. So this is a basic difference between the conventional implant and the cortical implant. So in the case where we are not able having a good bone for placing a conventional implant, or where we have to do a immediate loading, in such a cases we have to do a cortical implant. And in the simple cases, or we have to go free hand surgery, or we have to we don't need to take any risk, then in that cases we can go for conventional implant. So many patients ask whether the longevity of implant is having any issue on the selection of the conventional or cortical implant. My answer is no. The prognosis of implant success or the implant success is depend on the surgical placement of the implant and the prosthetic part, and obviously how the patient keeps its oral hygiene, their oral hygiene, and the systemic condition of patient's body, right? On the detailed video I will tell you in detail in my next video. Thank you for today.